Yo, what's up guys? We have some PBA news and this time tungkol sa coaching changes at player movement para sa Northport or dapat na ba nating tawaging Pure Blends. Look who's back. After almost a year, Jonadel Cardel is making his coaching comeback. Siya na ang tatawag ng shots para sa Pure Blends once maging official na yung takeover nila sa Northport franchise. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Cardel ay dating mentor ng Terra Firma Jeep. Medyo roller coaster ang stint niya doon. Umabot sila ng rare quarterfinals sa Philippine Cup, pero the following conference, bagsak ulit yung performance ng team. Kaya naghiwalay sila last season. Ngayon, with Pure Blends stepping in, Cardel is handling practice already, assisted by Raymond Valenzona as his deputy. And ang interesting dito, originally, maraming nag-expect na si Bonnie Tan yung magko-coach pa rin. Pero ang plano nila is Tan will move up to a managerial role habang si Cardel ang magiging main tactician. So, question now, will Cardel's system and experience be enough to turn his new look franchise into a contender or magiging same story lang sa Jeep? At hindi lang sa coaching may comeback, pati sa players. Von Pesumal, after being left unsigned by Ginebra, is heading back to where it all started, Northport. The 32-year-old sharpshooter signed a one-year deal with the franchise that totally drafted him noong 2016 Gilas Special Draft. From Batampere, lumipat siya ng San Miguel where he won 3 championships and later naging parte ng Ginebra, winning 2 more titles under coach Tim Cone. Pero recently, the Gen Kings decided not to renew his contract, making him an unrestricted free agent. At ngayon, Von finds himself back in familiar territory with Northport na soon to be Pure Blends. So ngayon, malaking tanong, can Von still provide that much needed outside shooting and veteran presence for his team, or maging depth piece na lang siya in a crowded rotation? So ayun, dalawang major headlines para sa bagong franchise na Pure Blends. Jonadel Cardel is taking over as head coach and Von Pesumal returning home on a one-year deal. So, big picture, ang Pure Blends is trying to have a fresh start, new ownership, new leadership structure, at may mix ng mga veterans na makakatulong to stabilize the team. Pero syempre, everything boils down to execution sa court. Pero ito with the signing of Cardel, medyo napapaisip tayo, no? Kasi of all people, siya pa yung pinili. Galing sa franchise na hindi talaga nananalo at may history bilang farm team. Excited na sana tayo kasi promising yung mga initial moves nila. Kinuha si Ambohot, may mga tao silang nilagay din sa Magnolia and Terra Firma sa front office. So akala natin contender mode na Pero with Cardel, honestly parang bumigat lang yung question mark. Yan lang ba yung coaches pool natin dito sa Pilipinas? Hindi naman sa minamaliit si Cardel kasi veterano naman siya, may contribution, pero nakita na natin for so many years kung ano yung naging resulta sa Terra Firma. So, fans were hoping for change, not just recycle ng mga coaches na alam natin na yung ceiling. At dagdag pa, kahit hindi sila tied up sa SMC yung Pure Blends, parang gumana yung tinatawag nating super friends na style sa ganitong signings. Parang safe pick, familiar faces, kahit na may mga daring or fresh option sana. So kaya ba, anong expectations nyo sa Pure Blends? At ano yung reaction nyo nung nalaman nyo itong balitang ito? So, legit contender in the making na ba, or same old story lang under a new name? So let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Agon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye bye.